Hello guys, welcome to part 9 of our SQL tutorials. The topic is top clause in SQL. The SQL top clause is used to specify the number of records to return. The SQL top clause is used on large table with thousands of records. Returning a large number of records can impact performance. Important note: all the database do not support the top clause. MySQL support the limit clause and Oracle uses the rownum command to fetch a limited number of records. Syntax: the basic syntax of top clause with the select statement. As you can see, the top clause will be used in the select statement. We will consider the following customer table in our example. First example, select top 3 star from customer. This SQL query will select the first 3 records from the customer table. Select top 50% star from customers. This SQL query will select the first 50% of the records from the customer table. Now if we want to run this in MySQL, select star from customer limit 3. We have used the limit clause. This SQL query will select the first 3 records from the customer table. Now if we want to run this same query in Oracle, select star from customer, fetch first 3 rows only. This SQL query will select the first 3 records from the customer table. Another example in which we have used the where clause. Select top 3 star from customer where address is equal to Mumbai. This SQL query will select the first 3 records from the customer table where address is Mumbai. Same query we have used in MySQL, just the limit clause is used in where clause. And the same query we have used in the Oracle, in which the fetch clause is used in the where clause. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and like the video. Thank you.